Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute this command. Type C:, then hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space C:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space C:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren C:/boot/bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.